Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you my live trading and why the market is opening huge gap down today. The reason is because due to Fed, last night they announced the interest rate will remain the same, and so today the Indian market also they just follow the world market. And as you can see that today up move, it's not that the bull they have power in the market or they going long. Retail they are going long, no big boys. Okay, so why that up move happen today or it create today? The reason is because these people who short the market over here, uh, and today once they see that the market open huge gap down, then they already sitting in a huge profit. So if those guys they are booking their profit or they are exit their position, then it's became a buy order quantity. That's why this up move creep. And after that, what happened? Retail people, after seeing this green candle, after seeing this big green candle, what will they do? They will try to go long in the market because they think that the market will going up, because retail people are always like this. They cannot wait for the market. Right after market open, they jump into trade. They thought that bull are activate or bull are going long in the market, so they bought. These move are only retail people. As you can see, there is no power or no volume at all. So for experienced trader or I means like for those traders who understand the market, they won't go long. And now I have created a short position in the market because I know that only retail people are going long. And wait, I'll show you my short position. See, this is my short position I have created in the market. This 34,900 production I have bought, and now I'm waiting. And I'll be back later on, or once I close my position, and you will see. Right now I'm still holding my position and I will wait for the market to fall. See guys, since I have told you that these are only retail people who are going long in the market, and this retail they will keep their stop loss in this area of 34,750. So once their stop loss hit, then I will make a good amount of money. And my entry was around this area of 34,800. Yes, around that area, 34,800 only, 810 or something. And I keep my stop loss around this area of 34,850. So my stop loss is around 40 points. I risk 40 points to make a profit of my target in this area of 34,700. So I risk 40 points to make a profit of 100 points. So which means the risk reward is almost 1:3. So which is a good risk reward. I risk small amount of money, like example I risk 1,000 for a profit of 3,000. Market started falling, and now I'm waiting for the market to hit the retail stop loss. Now the Nifty Bank is almost hit the stop loss of retail, so we will just wait and watch. Hi guys, I just want to update you. If Bank Nifty is broken this area of 34,750, 34,725, that is the area where the retail people they keep the stop loss, so we might see some more fall, and we might see Bank Nifty and might touch around the area of 34,600, some things like that. But I will book my profit in this area only on 34,650 or 34,720, 700. Yes, I will book my profit over there. Guys, in this area, the market take a pause in this area. The reason is because retail people they saw that the market once it formed this red candle and bounced back. So the retail people they thought that the market is too strong bullish or big bull are active. So retail they will buy from this area. So that's the reason here also the market take a pause and retail people they keep on continue buying. They think that the market will go up. But I know that for sure market will break this area and it will fall down. You see guys, this is what we call right patient. As long as the market is in your direction, don't be in a hurry to exit. Be patient enough, wait, try to maximize your profit. Okay, if you are in the losses, then we have to exit or cut it as soon as possible. But what retail trader did, they once they are in the wrong trade, they will keep on waiting, keep on hoping that market will bounce back at least to their cost price. So at last they will end up with huge losses. But once they are in profit, they are panic. They panic so that they will lose that small amount of money. They are afraid that they will lose that profit, that little profit. They are afraid because of that. So once you are afraid because of that, then you will lose every time. If you lose, you will lose big. If you win, you will win small. But what big boys or experienced traders they will do, they will try to maximize the profit. Once they are in the right trade, they will wait for the market. Okay guys, now I'm ready to exit my position, because if I keep it for so long or if I keep on waiting, then the premium will keep on declining, because today it was an expiry. So that's why. So we'll try to keep I will try to exit as soon as possible once I make good profit. Yeah, now I'm done, and see you guys. Bye. Hi guys, since now the market is already closed, and I just want to show you that how much profit I made today. That is 3,500, and I took only two trades. One is call option and one is put option. The reason I take this call option, because due to huge gap down, so I know those guys who have short the market, they square off the position or they book the profit. So it became a buy order and it take the market up at least a little bit, so I take advantage of that. And I take this put option because I know that the market will fall. And yeah, see, only 4, that is only 2 3. And guys, I have told you and during live market that if Nifty Bank broke this area of 34,750, then we might see some more fall up to 34,600, and market broke and more than that, right? But I do not take trade anymore because it's already hit my day target. And in trading we have to be disciplined, guys. We don't have to be greedy or to catch each and every move in the market, or else we will lose everything. Okay.